Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into PNC online banking, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the PNC Bank website URL, pnc.com. Press the Enter key on your keyboard to navigate to the site. Once the site loads, look for the Login button located in the upper right corner of the homepage. Click on the Login button. A new login window will appear on your screen. In the login window, you will see two fields labeled User ID and Password. Enter your user ID in the designated field. Make sure to double-check for any typographical errors. Next, proceed to enter your password in the respective field. If you prefer to have the browser remember your login details, you can check the box that says Remember User ID. Once you have entered your credentials, look for the Login button within the login window. Click on the Login button to access your online banking account. If you encounter any issues, click on the Forgot User ID or Password link. Follow the prompts to recover your user ID or reset your password. After successfully logging in, you will be directed to your online banking dashboard. From here, you can manage your accounts, view transactions, and perform other banking tasks. Always ensure you log out of your account when you are finished, especially on shared devices. To log out, click on the Log Out button, usually found in the upper right corner. You have now completed the login process to PNC Online Banking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.